A Fishing-Hunting Taxidermy Product Guide. Chapter 1. Fishing and Hunting Products. Fishing Product Websites. anglersworkshop.com, baitnet.com, clemenstackle.com, coldspringanglers.com, cortlandline.com, creamlure.com, wormlures, daywood.com, dangcaraftent.com, drslick.com, fieldandstream.com, fishdoc.com, fishingdiary.net, fishing-reel-rels-tackle.com, electric fishing reels, fleerodreel.com, fleerods.com, forkedtreeranch.com, bait, freighttrain.com, furunousa.com, sonar, gorp.com, griffinrods.com, hardtackle.com, humminbird.com, sonar, hunting-fishing-gear.com, interphase-tech.com, Lake Powell Discount MarineElectronics.com, lure.com, mantizonar.com, handheld sonar for helping to locate fish even when ice fishing, mcfsoftcrawfarm.com, bait, mrtwister.com, nationalbait.com, orvis.com, penreels.com, pokefishing.com, reddington.com, saltwatersportsman.com, shimano.com/fishing, shoftackle.com, si-tex.com, vexilar.com, winstonrods.com, worldwideangler.com, wormbooks.com, yakamabait.com. Fishing products for sale. Bass Pro Shops. 1935 South Campbell, Springfield, Missouri 65898. 800-227-7776. 800 Bass Pro. BassPro.com. Bean, LL. Freeport, Maine 04033. 800-221-4221. 888-975-4552. llbean.com. bobmarriotts.com. 800-535-6633. Browning CO. 1 Browning PL. Morgan, Utah 84050. 800-333-3288. Browning.com. Bud Lily's Trout Shop. W. Yellowstone, Montana 59758. 800-854-9559. budlillis.com. Cabela's. 812 13th Avenue, Sidney, Nebraska 69160. 800-237-4444. 800-395-1483. Cabela's.com. Captain Harry's Fishing Supply. Miami, FL. 800-327-4088. capthari.com. computerole.com. 800-456-5432. Fish Sonar. Edgewater Fishing Products. 35 North 1000 West, Clearfield, Utah 84015. 800-584-7647. fishtheedge.com. fenwickfishing.com. 800-642-7637. Fly and Field. 800-328-9753. flyfield.com. Fly Shop. 4140 Churn Creek Road, Redding, California 96002. 800-669-3474. thehegleyshop.com. gloomis.com. 800-662-8818. jansnetcraft.com. 800-346-6590. kkflyfisher.com. 800-795-8118. KMAN.com. 800-442-4359. Lawrence Electronics. 12,000 East Scully Drive, Tulsa, Oklahoma 74070. 800-324-4737. Lawrence.com. Radar. Madison River Fishing Co. Box 627. Ennis, Montana 59729. 800-227-7127. MRFC.com. Orvis, Manchester. RT7A. Manchester, Vermont 05254. 800-548-9548. 800-239-2074. 800-541-3541. Orvis.com. Outfits.com. 800-232-2783. PANTHER-MARTINC.com. 800-852-0925. Powellrod.com. 800-228-0615. Raytheon.com. 800-539-5539. Fish Sonar. RiverRaiders.com. 800-247-6068. ROSS-REELS.com. 800-336-1050. Round Rocks Fly Fishing. Smithfield, UT. 800-992-8774. RoundRocks.com. Ryobi America Corp. 5201 Pierman Dairy Road, Anderson, South Carolina 29625. 800-323-4615. Ryobi.com. Snag Proof. 11387 Deerfield Road, Cincinnati, Ohio 45232. 800-762-4773. Snagproof.com. Lures. Umpqua.com. 800-322-3218. Hooks. Hunting product websites. AmarysTEP.com, Hunting Blinds. GammaCalls.net. GunDogHouseEdor.com. HUNTING-FISHING-GEAR.com. HuntingMall.com. Mickey'sPlace.com. PredatorP.com. RealDuck.com. WildTurkeyCalls.com. Hunting products for sale. ActionGear.com. 800-338-4327. Ambusher.com. 800-322-HUNT. AmericanCamper.com. 800-315-2267. BassPro.com. 800-BassPro. Beretta.com. 800-528-7453. Browning Co. 1 Browning Place, Morgan, Utah 84050. 800-333-3288. Browning.com. Cabela's.com. 800-237-4444. CheaperThanDirt.com. 888-625-3848. Deer Shack. 977,155 CTY. Highway B. Blugayam, Wisconsin 53004. 800-443-3337. Deershack.com. Dogsafield.com. 800-863 Dogs. Dog Things. Dogtra.com. 888-326-5527. Hunting Dog Things. Ducks Unlimited. 800-933-8821. DoCatalog.com. DunsCatalog.com. 800-427-6572. GunPartsCorp.com. Fax, 877 Gun Part. Herders Waterfowl Decoys. Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. 800-654-3825. Herders.com. Iversononline.com. 888-83 Duck 1. Duck calls, etc. Kirkpatrickdecoy.com. 800-505-7841. Mossioak.com. 800-331-5624. Camouflage. Orvis Hunting and Fishing. 800-541-3541. Orvis.com. Outfits.com. 800-232-2783. Primos. Box 12785. Jackson, Mississippi 39236. 800-523-2395. PredatorCalories.com. SportDog.com. 800-826-5527. Trax America. Box 898. Forest City, Arkansas 72335. 800-232-2327. TraxAmerica.com. Tree Stands. WileyOutdoorSports.com. 800-494-5397. Woolrick.com. 800-995-1299. Insect repellent for sale. AUTN.com. IQProducts.com. Avon.com. 800-367-2866. Vens. 888-258-4696. Tendercorp.com. Bite Blocker. 800-643-8457. VerdantBrowns.com. CutterInsectRepellent.com. 800-767-9927. Muscoel.com. 888-862-0752. SCS-MALL.com. TickInfo.com. 800-749-8425. SCJohnson.com. 800-494-4855. Repel. 800-558-6614. WPCBrowns.com. SawyerOnline.com. 800-940-4464. Travel Medicine. 800-872-8633. TravMed.com. Archery and bow hunting products for sale. Bowsite.com. BSNsports.com. DardenArchery.com. GoAmericana.com. HoytUSA.com. JakesArchery.com. JennaRCH.com. Kinsey'sArchery.com. 800-366-4269. LancasterArchery.com. 800-829-7408. MartinaArchery.com. ObsessionArchery.com. POPE-young.org. PSE-archery.com. RiversArchery.com. TheBowman.com. Barnett International. POG 934. Odessa, Florida 33556. 800-237-4507. BarnettCrossbows.com. Bonning Co. 7361 North 7 Mile Road. Lake City, Michigan 49651. 800-253-0136. Bonning.com. Bowhunters Warehouse. 1045 Ziegler. Wellsville, Pennsylvania 17365. 800-735-2679. 800-306-2697. Bowhunterswarehouse.com. Browning Co. 1 Browning Place. Morgan, Utah 84050. 800-333-3288. Browning.com. Cabela's. 812 13th Avenue. Sydney, Nebraska 69160. 800-800-6888. 7704. 800-237-4444. Cabela's.com. Delta Industries. Rain Deck, IA. 800-708-0673. DelphiGlass.com. Papa DS Archery. POB 80712. Lansing, Michigan 48908. 888-790-1480. PapaD.com. Deer-proofing products for sale. This is a product hunters and outdoor photographers use to help prevent deer from smelling their scents. Deer scents are scents used to attract deer used by hunters. StoneyCreekWhitetails.com, cold-shipped deer scents. Wildlife Research Center. 4345 157th Avenue. NW. Anoka, Minnesota 55304. 800-655-7898. 800 Uslure. Learn taxidermy as a hobby or job. Taxidermy is the art of mounting dead animals and fish for show. It can either be a hobby or a job. Look through the hunting and fishing magazines for ads. Taxidermists take dead fish and animals, gently peel the skin off, then encase it around an artificial body so the animal can be displayed as a decoration. They work for private clients, hunters and fishermen, and get work from museums too. You can see lots of ads for taxidermy courses in fishing and hunting magazines. AmericanTaxidermy.com. CareerIceTaxidermy.com. Fish Taxidermy Taxidermist.com, Central Ohio. LEARN-TAXIDERMY.com. OpenAcresTaxidermy.com, Virginia Beach. Sportsman'sDreamTaxidermy.com, Vicksburg, ME. Taxidermy.co.nz. Taxidermy.co.uk. Taxidermy.net. Taxidermy-secrets.com. TwoHootsTaxidermy.co.uk. WPST-taxidermy-schol.com, Western PA. Hiones.com. 800-772-7924. JonasTaxidermy.com. 800-525-6379. Taxidermy services for sale. Taxidermy.com. 800-334-8012. TahikonGlassies.com. 800-441-5983. Van Dykes. Box 278. Woonsocket, South Dakota 57385. 800-843-3320. vandyke.com.